everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at DELL. This is ticker DELL. And when Michael Dell was in the White House recently, he told President Trump that they don't have a helicopter, they have a Dellicopter. And I love that term. And so I'm wondering if Dell and their Dellicopter is ready for takeoff here on this chart. We have a stock that's in an uptrend and above all the key moving averages. It continues to print higher lows and lower highs. And so we are tightening up here on this chart and looking for a direction. Now, I know the general market has been weak. Specifically, the Qs have been weak, with QQQ closing under the 50-day moving average. And so I don't suspect that Dell is going to break out unless we have the sector moving with it. And so I would love to see QQQ back above the 50-day moving average. And if we get that, we could get a nice relative strength breakout here in Dell. And so I would definitely have an alert here on Dell at around $429.60. $429.60. And look for a move through and a close above that level coming on volume. And you can define your risk on the underside of this downward sloping trend line. And so if the stock breaks out like this and then comes back down here and the general market rolls over or whatever, that would keep you safe, get you out of the trade, and so you don't have to sit through any unforeseen pullbacks. But I would certainly look for this stock to get above and stay above 428.60 and do it on good volume if the general market rebounds back above the 50-day moving average here on the Qs. And so that's just one of many things we're watching tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that video is helpful. My name is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on X. I'll see you next time.